Hello and welcome to the OIKONET MOOC Housing Design from Concept to Fabrication. OIKONET is a European funded project which we thank for bringing us together to create this learning experience for you. My name is Paul Riddy and I've been coordinating the development of the MOOC. We have worked together to bring you a compact course which provides a broad overview of housing design, along with giving you the opportunity to delve more deeply into some of the ideas and methods. These include the concepts and tools of parametric design and digital fabrication, which are introduced in the last two modules of the course. We're expected to begin this journey through housing design with you and are looking forward to your contributions and questions. Each of the tutors will now give a brief introduction to their modules.
Hello, I am Nadia Haralambous, Assistant Professor of Architecture at the University of Cyprus. The first module of this course addresses participatory processes in design. An important part of the design process is involving the community in developing the environment and buildings in which they are going to live and share. This module is going to explore the underlying principles of the activity of community participation, which is that the environment works better if citizens are active and involved in its creation and management instead of being treated as passive consumers. Although public participation can be approached and defined in many different ways, this module is concerned with participation aimed at issues involving community decision-making through the direct involvement of the public in the definition of their physical environment.
Hello, welcome to the module about energy efficiency. Let me briefly mention what are the contents of this part of the course. We shall see some important concepts about energy efficiency in residential buildings and its relationship with architectural design. We will also look in more detail into the design methodology of a shading device. First, we will revise a few basic aspects to frame energy efficiency in buildings and the need to reduce energy use. One of the most significant consequences of the way we produce and use energy is climate change and extreme natural phenomena. Then, we will address what are the energy requirements in the operation phase of buildings with a closer view to residential architecture. This is important because residential buildings alone account for 30% of all the electricity used in the world. We will then discuss the main opportunities available to architects to contribute to more efficient designs. Passive strategies developed since the early phases of the design process have a great potential to reduce the energy requirements for heating, cooling, ventilation and lighting. Finally, one of these strategies will be detailed, the design methodology for a simple horizontal shading device. I'm looking forward to meet you in the course. I'm sure we will have a good time exploring some important aspects of residential architectural design.
Hello everybody, my name is Henrik Pivko and I am responsible for the third module of this MOOC course, for the module dealing with sustainability, particularly with the sustainable building materials. Sustainability means that we meet our needs without limiting the possibilities of the coming generation to satisfy their needs. We evaluate architecture during its whole life cycle. We prefer materials with small environmental impact. We choose materials from renewable sources, recycled or recyclable. We shall look not only on the choice of appropriate building material for your playhouse, but also on evaluation of sustainability and on the problems of the sustainable architecture in general. Looking forward for our meeting in the third week of this MOOC course.
Hello, my name is Eleni Patsichi and I will coordinate the topic of parametric design, module number 4. I'm a research associate at the University of Cyprus and I run the architectural practice EP Architects. I'm also a research member at Atraktos, which is an interdisciplinary group of architects, engineers and designers dealing with computer-aided design and manufacturing techniques. Aim of the topic of parametric design is the theoretical and practical investigation of parametric design strategies in housing design. The use of parametric design processes will facilitate the integration of sustainability and user-oriented criteria in your house proposal. So the topic's tutorials will provide you with all the basic technical skills you need in order to investigate with the use of 3D modeling and parametric design techniques the geometry of your design proposal. During this stage, you can integrate in your design knowledge gained from modules 1 to 3, participatory processes, energy efficiency, and sustainable materials. I hope you enjoy the module of parametric design, and I look forward to review your design proposals. Thank you.